Vaginal infections are one of the most common concerns among women worldwide. If you've ever dealt with persistent discomfort, unusual discharge, or recurrent infections, you're not alone. But did you know that the key to long-term relief could lie within your vaginal microflora? Vaginal microflora refers to the community of microorganisms that naturally reside in the vagina, primarily dominated by lactobacilli. These beneficial bacteria create a slightly acidic environment, with a pH of 3.8 to 4.5, which helps protect against harmful pathogens. When this balance is disrupted, due to antibiotics, hormonal changes, or even stress, it can lead to infections like bacterial vaginosis, BV, yeast infections, or urinary tract infections, UTIs. Common symptoms of vaginal infections include itching, burning sensations, abnormal discharge, and unpleasant odors. These signs often indicate an imbalance in the microflora, but addressing the root cause is essential for effective treatment. Many women turn to antibiotics for relief, but frequent use can disrupt both vaginal and gut microbiomes, leaving you vulnerable to recurring infections. Antibiotics kill harmful bacteria, but they also reduce the number of beneficial lactobacilli, which can worsen the problem in the long run. So, what can you do to protect your vaginal microflora? 1. Include probiotic-rich foods like yogurt or kefir in your diet, or consider a targeted vaginal probiotic. 2. Avoid harsh soaps and douches, they disrupt the natural pH balance. 3. Stay hydrated, wear breathable fabrics, and manage stress, as all these factors impact your microflora. For persistent infections, innovative therapies that focus on restoring the vaginal microflora are proving highly effective. These treatments use natural methods to replenish lactobacilli and stabilize the environment, providing lasting relief without the drawbacks of antibiotics. Your vaginal health deserves personalized care and attention. On my website, innerwellnessguide.com, I've shared detailed resources about vaginal infections, their treatment, and how to support your overall health naturally. If you have any questions or need guidance, visit the Ask Me section to connect with me directly. Let's work together towards better health.